social media. Let me ask you, what is keeping you from doing it? Why are you not showing up on social media consistently? Now, I know when I talk to you in a workshop or on our open coaching call or through a consultation, I hear lots of reasons why you're not doing it. And I also hear that you're planning on it, that you have captions already planned, that you've taken lots of Instagram classes, that you have Post-it notes, and you've screenshotted a lot of things, but you're still not doing it. So why aren't you doing it? I want to help you with that. Let me tell you why it is so important to learn the skill of social media. First of all, it's free marketing, and the only path to clients is through marketing. It will also help you learn how to talk about your business in person. When you meet somebody and they say, "What do you do?" You'll be able to talk about it so much easier when you have been on social media and you have practice. So I want to help you learn how to connect with people. I think it's a great way to build know, like, and trust. I want to share my own experience. I decided, a few weeks ago that I was going to do a challenge myself for 30 days of social media, and I knew I needed to do it my way. And by the way, we want to teach you how to do it your way. We want you to find a way that is most comfortable for you, and we want to help you figure out how to talk about your business comfortably. So I decided I was going to do the Walk and Talk series. If you're not following me, you should go check it out. And I started walking and talking, and I talked about things that were happening in our coaching calls. I talked about things I wanted to share about marketing. And during that 30-day challenge, I had to get over perfectionism. I had to get over looking at myself in the camera. I had to kind of figure out how to do it. But it changed my business. I inspired a lot of our clients. They too are doing their own version of their walk and talk, and it has been so much fun. In our fast track coaching experience, these women have actually been cheering each other on. They've actually, in the Facebook group, they do a recording, they do their test run of their social media, and they put it in the Facebook group, and everybody helps give feedback. We've been answering questions about how to edit, about the technology. Our social media manager is in there supporting people. Our mindset coach is in there telling people how to do it. So I want to tell you that social media is something you really should learn how to do. I know it has helped me. It's already made a difference for our clients who are doing it. I want to inspire you to take the action too. So I've got a challenge for you, and you're invited to join it. I got together with my team, and we are going to help you through 30 days of social media. We're going to show you how to do the editing that you need to. We're going to help you with the captions. We're going to give you the coaching, that loving nudge that you need. We're going to provide the accountability. We're going to help you give your best on social media for 30 days. It's going to be an epic challenge. It is exclusive to those who are part of the Business Building Boutique, so you're invited to join us. Join the Fast Track for the last time. Enrollment closes on July 31st. Do not miss this. This is your chance to become confident on social media and to finally get rid of all those Post-it notes on your desk and just do it consistently so you can grow your business. All right, join me in the challenge. If you need to talk to me about the Fast Track, schedule a time to meet with me this week. I've opened up lots of time on my calendar, debbieshata.com/apply. I can't wait to help you create the confidence you need to comfortably be on social media. All right, we'll see you guys in the challenge.